Well, I'm actually a product of Granite School District. I went to Woodstock Elementary, and then Bonneville Junior High, and then Conwood High School. And so I had a teacher there who I just started to notice him when I became a senior in high school and I'd always loved art and was taking art classes and thought, that seems like a pretty interesting, pretty cool gig to get into. I didn't know how good of mentors I had when I started, and then as those mentors changed, I had other mentors that still continue to foster my growth as a young art teacher. You've got to be willing to give kids a little bit of a leeway, give them a little bit of a chance to fail and to be okay with that, and to kind of understand that there's always a learning curve and that they're just kids and that they're going to make mistakes and they're going to do things that you don't want them to do, but as you stick with it and stick with them, then you can see really cool growth happen over time. We have lessons and assignments that encourage kids to make something that represents kind of where they feel they come from, and they create work that takes those symbols or meanings and they share it with each other. And so then we're all getting to learn a little bit about where we come from and kind of the interesting things that all sorts of different groups have to offer. I want my students to say that they didn't realize how creative they were. It's the skill that's going to be most transferable to whatever they choose to do in the future. So I hope that any kid will finish ceramics and will say, hey, I had no idea that I could make something that cool.